Magnetic effect of electric current, class 10 physics. In our previous class, we studied whenever a current flows in a conductor, magnetic field or effect is generated. There is a connection between magnetism and electricity. So, from there onwards, many scientists studied the relation between magnetism and electricity. So, who is the first person to tell us current carrying conductor creates a magnetic field? It was Hans Christian Ørsted. What is he doing in his lab? When he was working with a circuit, current was flowing in a conductor and he started observing the deflection in the magnetic needle of a compass. There he come to know one magnet can attract or repel another magnet. If the magnetic needle shows deflection, there could have been a magnetic field created in a conductor. That is why the magnetic needle deflected. That is how he invented and tell that when electric current is flowing in a circuit, a magnetic field is generated. There is a close connection between magnetic field and electricity. So, we are going to study everything about magnetic field. You know where it is helpful? Have you heard of sound system? How did the sound system works? How does the motor generator work? How does the calling bell work? Everything will work on this magnetic field effect. What do you mean by magnetic field and magnetic field lines? Before we go for the magnetic field, let us have few basic idea about magnets. We all have seen magnets, but when does a magnet attract? When does magnet repel? All of them we will study. Afterwards, we will go for magnetic field and magnetic field lines. A magnet is any substance that attracts iron and iron containing substance like steel. Not only iron, nickel, chromium, cobalt and many more things. Magnets available in different shapes: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet. All magnets have two poles. Very important point. One is called North Pole, another is the South Pole. And in this magnet, one side is North Pole, other side is South Pole. Similar poles always repel each other. Dissimilar poles always attract each other. So, this is very fundamental things everybody must know. Now, let us speak about magnetic field and magnetic field lines. The area around the magnet where magnetic force you experience a kind of attraction and repulsion, that area around the magnet is called magnetic field. So, what is a magnetic field? The area around a magnet where magnetic force is experienced is called the magnetic field. How do you come to know how much area is a magnetic field? To know that, we can do certain experiment. What is the boundary of the magnetic field? You have to do one interesting experiment. You take plain sheet. You take a plain sheet where you place a bar magnet and pour some iron fillings on the white sheet. Just after few seconds, how does iron fillings arranged around the bar magnet? They arranged in a particular pattern. That means this much is the magnetic field. These are called magnetic field lines. So, magnetic field lines represent the magnetic field. Now, let us study about the properties of magnetic field lines. Inside the magnetic field lines emerge from the South Pole and merge at the North Pole. Outside the magnet, the magnetic field lines emerge from the North Pole and merge at South Pole. Field strength is proportional to degree of closeness to the magnet. Field lines never cross each other. Field lines are continuous loop. Okay. Study well, revise the concept. Thank you very much.